Hey guys, so today I want to show you how I season my pork chops. So I use adobo and I use about a pack and a half of sazon. No matter how many pork chops I have. So don't measure it. Basically put it on top like that. Okay, that's one. Do it to every single one. Cover it nice. Okay, so once that's done, I open the little pack of sazon and I do basically the same thing. A little more. Okay. Once that's done, and believe me, it tastes really good. Okay. So in the end of the video, I will show you exactly how it looks when I fry them. So these you can fry, you can put them in the oven, 350 for 30 minutes about, or you can fry them. So these are going to get fried. So they look just like that. Look at that. That's how you get the color on your pork chops. Okay, and I'll show you exactly. I won't show you exactly how to fry them because that's pretty common sense, but I will show you the end results. Let me get them to fry now. If you do decide to fry them, you don't need a lot of oil because pork chops do give out a lot of oil too. So that's pretty good enough. Okay, so let me fry them. Okay, so put the pork chops in. Make sure it's nice and flat. They usually shrink just a little bit. Okay, and I grab this and I pour this on top. This is gonna give it more flavor to the pork chop. Okay, so I'll show you the end results. This I put it in, make sure not too much oil. Pour the extra juice and just fry them. Fry them is basically just leave them there frying. If you're gonna put them in the oven, do probably the same thing. You just put them in the oven without oil. But that's it. So let me show you the end results. They usually fried about 10 minutes. So this is the final results. I usually put the paper towel in the bottle so it could drain basically all the oil. But that's how they look. And it tastes awesome. Very good. Tasty.